Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon code in Wix so you can run successful promotions, boost your sales, and reward your loyal customers with exclusive discounts in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Marketing and SEO dashboard. The first step is navigating to the Marketing Hub of your Wix site. In 2026, Wix has centralized all promotional tools into one specialized dashboard to make management faster for business owners. Log in to your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover over Catalog and select Coupons. Once the Coupons page loads, click the clickable blue button in the top right corner that says Plus New Coupon. Next, choose your coupon type. Before you name your code, you need to decide what kind of value you are offering your customers. Wix offers 5 distinct types of discounts in 2026. Select one of the options, dollar amount off or percentage off. For most general promotions, the percentage off or dollar amount off options are the most popular for driving quick conversions. Choosing the right type is critical for your profit margins. Next, define your coupon code and name. Now you need to create the actual trigger word that your customers will type into the checkout box. In the coupon code field, type the word your customers will use, like Save 20 or Welcome 2026. In the coupon name field, give it an internal name for your records. Keep your code short, all caps, and easy to remember. Avoid using ambiguous characters like 0, 0, and O, the letter. The coupon name is only for you. It helps you identify the promotion in your analytics later. The coupon code is the public-facing key. In 2026, simple, punchy codes perform better on mobile devices because they are harder to mistype on a small digital keyboard. Under the Apply To section, choose if this works for all products, a specific category, or a specific product. Then set a minimum subtotal if necessary. Scroll down to Limit Uses and decide if this coupon can be used an unlimited number of times or if it's limited to the first 100 customers. You should also check the box for Limit to 1 use per customer. The final step is telling Wix when the discount should start and when it should automatically expire. Look at the Valid From and Expiration Date fields. Select your start date and time. And that's pretty much it. To create a coupon in Wix 2026, go to Marketing and SEO, Coupons, and click New Coupon. Choose your discount type, enter a memorable code, and set your usage limits and minimum spend requirements. Finally, schedule your dates and click Create. Your new discount is now ready to be used by your customers at checkout. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.